We have come to this store called Tedox. It is a where it's a general store type where you get all hardwares, gardening equipments, embroidery, curtain equipments, curtains, and all pillow covers for the house and everything. Towels, a lot of things are there. So this is the store. Mats, carpets, durries. These are also linoleum. I think that flooring material. Everything is written in German here, and these are wooden floorings. All wallpapers. This is the wallpaper section. This is the paint section. All paints. Now this is the electrical section and other keys and key holders and all these items, bulbs. Lights, shades, all electrical equipment. This is all sprays and cleaners. For bathroom washing or etc. So everything under one roof. These are plastic containers and of different sizes. Showers, bathroom fittings. This is the utensils, pans, plates, cups, cutlery, clocks. Leather accessories, belts, wallets. And this is the plants, artificial plants, boxes, stationery, frames. Pillows and all embroidery items. Yeah, it's nice. It's on that side also from your side. So you just stop here. What is it? On the stairs there. Vinyls, yeah, all vinyls. All these are the carpets. This is all the embroidery and cloth curtains on that section. Curtain material. Zainab is choosing the yarn over here. She wants to do some cool crochet embroidery and